Welcome, in front of me is an HTC Desire 21 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm just going to be using the home screen as an example, and once it's open and visible on the screen, press or hold, I should say, power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get the sound and there we go, pop up, screenshot saved. You have a couple options, share, edit or delete from here. Now after a couple of seconds it disappears and you can find that screenshot in your photo gallery. So you can see there it is. So that's one way of capturing a screenshot. There is also another one. So hold power key and you'll have the button right here for a screenshot. Same thing, just a little bit, I would say, less convenient. So that is how you'd capture screenshots on this phone, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.